Hi everyone, and welcome to this presentation. I am Robin, and I will present the work Coexisting with the Drone, using virtual reality to investigate the effect of the drone's height and cover story on proxemic behaviors. Considering the applications already in use and the rapid growth of the business and civil drones markets, it does not seem far-fetched to predict that drones will soon be part of our environment. And as they will directly or indirectly interact with people, we consider them social drones. Now, in order to design socially acceptable and human-friendly drones, we need to understand how do people manage their space around them. Why do they maintain a certain distance to drones? By answering these questions, we investigate proxemic behaviors. And as most encounters will happen as they fly, we chose to investigate the impacts of the drone's flying height. In addition, the way people perceive a machine can impact how they interact with it. Hence, we wonder if we can frame people perception using an oriented cover story to influence certain proxemic behaviors. Now, drones' proximity is potentially dangerous, and it can be a real constraint in real-world experiments. Hence, a promising safe approach we have chosen to explore is the use of immersive virtual environments for human-drone proxemic experiments. So after reading a socially or technically oriented cover story, participants answer the robotic social attribute scale to measure their social perception of the drone. Then they are immersed in a virtual replica of the experimental room, and they have to perform a task 3 times for the 3 height conditions. The task consists in reaching locations following a specific order while the drone is flying. The participant position is tracked over time, and we use the minimum participant drone distance measured for each condition for the statistical analysis. So we performed a mixed ANOVA and found a significant effect of the height and proxemic preferences. More specifically, we found that the higher the drone is, the closer they get. So this behavior can be explained considering the protective proxemic function. As the drones fly higher, the space below it becomes somewhat available for the participant, resulting in more space to react to danger and a reduced maintained distance. In addition, the position of the drones flying above people is the one that is expected and may be less concerning. Then, despite no significant effects, the social cover story induced a significantly higher warmth score than the technical cover story before the interaction. Considering the communicative function, we believe the framing was successful in orienting participants' perception and shaping expectations. But as there was nothing social in the drone or the task to perform, no or little social influence was involved. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I will be happy to answer any question you might have. So do not hesitate to contact me, and thank you for your attention.